Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today to show you our subframe alignment bushings for the S550 Mustang. Don't be fooled by the size of these. These are a small part that makes a huge improvement. And there's two key improvements that they make. One is they align the subframe to the car. Now from the factory, there's quite a bit of variance. We've seen about a ½ inch to the left or ½ inch to the right of where the subframe falls during assembly. What this does is it affects the steer ahead of the car. So these force the subframe to be aligned perfectly within the 4 main mounting positions under the car. This is going to square it up, give you more proper alignment and better feedback. Another benefit is, because these align the subframe perfectly to the car, if you need to lower the subframe in the future to say replace rear springs or change suspension setups, it won't force you to realign the car. Now you should always check your alignment anyway, especially if you're making suspension changes, but these will ensure that the subframe goes exactly back where it was. In addition to aligning the subframe, these also help to lock it in place. Now we've talked a lot about wheel hop, and one of the things that leads to that wheel hop is when that subframe wanted to lock around. Now we've got our subframe bushing support collar system, which works perfectly along with the alignment kit. Both of them together lock the subframe into place. Just like that support system, the alignment bushings don't add any noise, vibration, or harshness. Furthermore, installation of these doesn't require any modifications to your vehicle. They're also backed by our lifetime warranty. We proudly manufacture these in the USA at our Valdosta, Georgia facility. If you have any questions or comments about these, please feel free to post below. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click like and be sure to share it with your buddies. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more. If you'd like to learn more about these as well as our other great products, visit Steeda.com. And don't forget to follow us on social media. Most importantly, thank you and have a great day.